Okay, now I'm going to tell you the difference and how to use clipping mask, and some of my students, they are getting confused with Alt and Option key. Here I have two layers. One is this rounded rectangle you can see, and this is just a rectangle. Okay, so I have placed it over here on top of this one, and now I am going to my layers panels. Okay, for clipping mask you should be in this panel over here. So my mouse and my cursor is over here, and I am going to press Alt or Option key, you can see now, and when I move my cursor between these two layers, it is going to change to this arrow like return. So now you can see I'm not doing anything. I'm just pressing my Alt or Option key. Now what you need to do is you need to press once, click once, and now you can see it is clipped inside this. Okay, now if you try to use Alt or Option key over here in this area, so if I press Alt and Option key, it is going to duplicate it. Okay, so you can see now I have two layers. So don't try to use Alt or Option key over here because it is going to duplicate. So this is the simple tip I really wanted to give you, that a few of my students were having problems with this clipping mask, and it is very easy to do. And similarly you can do the same with the ellipse tool and some image if you have, and let me show you. So this is one, and if I try to use any image, let's use an image from here. This is Uber faces, and if I press plus, you can see it left this image over here. Okay, so I am now going to drag it in the middle, and you can see now image is at the top and this ellipse is at the bottom. Okay, so I want this to be my container at the bottom, and I'm going to press my Alt and Option key over here and click once, and it is going to be inside this. Okay, so now I want it to be just a bit shorter like this, and if I want something around it, I'm going to select this ellipse, right click, click on this FX, and then go to stroke effect, and we can have a stroke around it. Okay, you can put it inside, outside, or maybe in the center. So inside will be good, and I'm going to set it to 4 or maybe 8, I guess. Okay, so this looks great, and you can see how I managed to use this clipping mask to create these two elements, and you can do the same in Photoshop. So if you are having problem, just see this video. It is very easy. Your cursor should be in this area. Okay, now one more thing is that if you create a group of these two elements, like they are in a group, and if you expand the group, then if you try to clip two layers, one is inside this group and the other is outside of this group, they are not going to clip. Okay, so if you press Alt Option key, you can see there is no option over here. So I need to move these to a similar group, or the layers should be just above each other. Okay, so this is the requirement, like these two layers are just above each other. And if I want to release, you can see I can press Alt and Option key again, and I can click over here, and it is going to release the clipping mask. So this is all about clipping mask. I hope you have understood how we can use clipping mask in Adobe Photoshop. If you have any further questions, do ask me in the comments in my YouTube channel. If you like this video, subscribe, and I hope I will be able to solve all your problems by creating these kind of videos. See you soon in another video.